Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into FastBoot mode. Now for this process we will need a cable, so you do want to plug it into your computer. That can be Mac or Windows, doesn't really matter. And from there, also plug it into the device obviously. So from there, let's pull down the notification, tap on the power option, power off, once more. And now that the device is turning off, just give it some time. We want to wait till the moment that it shows us battery percentage. So now it should show that it's charging. And also disregard this little exclamation mark, that basically doesn't matter. Okay, so there it is. There is the battery percentage, so we can progress further. What you want to do is hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. So from here, I'm gonna twist it like so. So from here, what you wanna do is select the second option using volume keys. So reboot to bootloader, and then confirm it with power key. Give it a moment, and there we go. As you can see, we are now in the FastBoot mode. Now you could press power key to kind of reboot back into it. As you can see, that's kind of what will happen, I believe. Or will this just, oh no, that actually takes us back to recovery mode. But anyway, also to leave it as you've seen, I just press power key, but you could also hold power and volume down. This will also force restart the device, which I believe brings us back to recovery mode again anyway, so basically the same place. So from here, reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key, and this will then take us back to Android. I'm gonna now flip it back to this orientation, unplug it because the cable is not needed anymore. And let's wait for it to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.